Hello students, good morning. Now we are going to describe important floral characters as well as vegetative characters of important families of angiosperms. Family Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae is also called potato family. This is popularly called potato family. Potato, which is king of kitchen, that is belonging to this Solanaceae family. The plants belonging to potato family, they are usually herbs. They are usually herbs in their habits. Herbs, they can be shrubs and they are rarely trees. And stem is stem of these plants belonging to Solanaceae, that is soft, pliable, and the leaves are, they are, now I am picking up the Dura plant in my hands. So this is, the leaves are velvety हैं, जैसे glabrous बोलते हैं इसको, reticulate venation है, single vein है इसमें, and the plants they are having leaves, stem, but floral characters, inflorescence you can see is solitary. अकेला है एक प्लांट, एक फ्लावर एक जगह पे बॉर्न. सॉलिटरी, एक्सिलरी और साइमोस inflorescence may also be present. So axillary, terminal, but here it is axillary, it is born in the axil of it, not at the tip. And then about cymose inflorescence can also be present. Now flowers are, now we are taking up floral characters for description. Flowers are actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means their symmetry is, they are having regular symmetry, radial symmetry. The flowers, they can be cut into two equal halves along any radial plane, and these flowers, they are pentamerous. They are pentamerous, hypogynous, pentamerous. 5 is the common number. Regular, bisexual. These are the characters of flower. Calyx of these flowers is 5. 5 sepals are present. 5 sepals are present. 5. Gamosepalous. Persistent. जब ये फ्रूट बनता है, टोमेटो इज ऑल्सो बिलोंगिंग टू दिस, कैप्सिकम, शिमला मिर्च, इसकी भी देखो आप, ये इसकी जो कैलिक्स है, ब्रिंजल्स भी इसी के हैं, तो देयर कैलिक्स इज परसिस्टेंट, फ्रूट के ऊपर परसिस्ट करती है. जैसे दे आर 5 गैमोसेपलस. वेलवेट, सेम लेवल था इनका बर्ड में राइज करने का. So they are gamocephalous, regular, 5, inferior, because oris virate means it is inferior. Then corolla is 5, gamopetalous, velvet condition. Then they are alternating with the sepals. दो सेपल्स के बीच में पोजीशन किसकी है? पेटल्स की. Then petals are united. Inferior. Androecium 5. Then epipetalous. They are attached to petals. So you can see in the floor also. So their sepals are united, petals are forming a funnel shaped structure in this flower. So petals पे attached हैं androecium. We will open it just now. Gynoecium is 2. 2 gynoecium हैं. This is one gynoecium, this is second gynoecium. Floral diagram बता रही है. 2, that is syncarpus, means carpels are fused. Exile presentation, ये इतना बड़ा एक्सिस क्या बता रहा है कि प्लेसेंटा स्वोलन है, इस फैमिली का करेक्टर है. The placenta is swollen. Syncarpus exile presentation. Then placenta swollen. Obliquely placed ovary. अगर ये ovary obliquely placed rotating ना होती तो मैं इसका ऐसे रख दे. अब हमने इसका ऐसे बनाया है. You can see this is showing this line, not this line. So these are the floral characters. Now based on these we can draw the floral formula. Actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5 united, corolla 5, androecium 5. In book it is united. No, they are free. अपने समय नहीं जुड़े हुए हैं. Gynoecium 2 superior because the flower is hypogynous. Now जब भी तुम कोई family of angiosperms पढ़ते हो तो you have to write diagnostic features of that family. So 4-5 characters निकल चुके हैं. Flowers are pentamerous, diagnostic features, जिसके बेसिस पे आप पहचानोगे ये फ्लावर किसका है. पेंटामेरस 5 कॉमन नंबर है. That is gammo petalous, gamosepalous condition है. Epipetalous stamens है. Stamens are attached to the petals. Swollen placenta. Placenta is swollen and ovary is obliquely placed. Obliquely placed ovary. Exile placentation. Then persistent calyx. फ्रूट के ऊपर कैलिक्स कायम रहेगी. That is persistent calyx. You can see it on brinjals very clearly. Vidania, raspberry में. All these are the characters on the basis of which we can identify a flower belonging to Solanaceae. What are the diagnostic? Pentamerous. Common number is 5. Gamopetalous, epipetalous stamens. Stamens are attached to the petals. Swollen placenta. So then obliquely placed ovary, exile presentation and persistent calyx. Now we discuss some important plants belonging to this family. So important plants belonging to this family. So सोलेनम नाइग्राम. सोलेनम एक बहुत बड़ी जीनस है. सोलेनम एक बहुत बड़ी जीनस है जिसके प्लांट्स सोलेनम, इसीलिए वहां से इसको क्या नाम मिला है, सोलेनेसी. एक जीनस है. सोलेनम मिलोंजिना, सोलेनम ट्यूबरोसम, सोलेनम नाइग्राम. ये एक छोटा सा वाइट फ्रूट है. मको बोलते हैं इसको. किताब में इसी को एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. ट्यूबरोसम is potato. Melongena is brinjal. Tomato, Lycopersicum esculentus, that is potato, tomato. Then chilies. Then all these vegetables, capsicum, they all belong to family Solanaceae. But सोलेनम मिलोंजिना पे अलग क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. ब्रिंजल को एग प्लांट कहते हैं. सबसे बड़ा फ्रूट बेरी फ्रूट कौन सा है? that is brinjal. And this Solanum xanthocarpum एक कांटेदार झाड़ी है, xanthocarpum इस फैमिली की है। इस फैमिली में निकोटियाना टबैकम एक प्लांट है जिसको रखा गया है निकोटियाना टबैकम टबैको। वो मेडिसिनल प्लांट है जहाँ की हालांकि हम उसका मिस यूज करते हैं, उसके लीव्स में निकोटीन होती है, निकोटियाना टबैकम। एंड देन देयर आर एलोट्रोपा बेलाडोना, एलोट्रोपा बेलाडोना, अश्वगंधा, gandha is also the plant belonging to this Allotropa belladonna. It is used for dilating pupil. So many plants belong to this family which are medicinal. So this way, this family is of quite economically important. Belladonna, ashwagandha, fumigant, ornamental petunia, wild plant datura. So सजावट के लिए पेटूनिया, वाइल्ड प्लांट दातूरा जो मैंने आपको दिखाया है. So all these plants, they are important plants belonging to family Solanaceae. So in the next video I am going to describe the family Liliaceae.